Hello friends, today in lunch I made some prawn gold coins. Anyway, that's nothing. I just added some ginger garlic paste and some corn flour and some rice flour and then I fried it and I had it with chapati. Then for dinner, I thought let me make some prawn curry using the same leftover prawns. So what I did, I just took some oil, some onions, some curry patta and then put in some potatoes and then more potatoes and then I fried and then adding the sukha masala like turmeric, chili powder, more chili powder, jeera powder and stir and then add in your chopped tomatoes. Yes, and then I will mix. I did not use any ginger garlic paste here because already the prawns are fried with ginger garlic paste. So I'm just mixing it well along with the tomato, adding some water. By the way, I love prawn curry. Then adding the leftover prawns. Here I'm adding chicken masala. Kuch bhi ho, add chicken masala. Make potato curry, chicken masala, prawn curry, chicken masala, chicken curry, chicken masala, fish curry, chicken masala. I will add here all my prawns, whatever is left, all my prawns I'll add here into this curry and I'll make a wonderful prawn curry. Mix, give it a good mix and then add in the chopped dhania leaves and then add some garam masala without which any Indian curry is incomplete and more so if it is a non-veg curry it is incomplete. And this is a handmade garam masala powder which I added and you can already see it is looking delicious. I added a little more hot water. I'm showing it to you guys. It looks delicious, yummy. I have very poor presentation skills, especially when I'm very hungry. I was very hungry, so I brought in all the leftover chillas, all the leftover chapatis, and here I'm going to make a small bite for you of my delicious prawn curry. Please have it. Please have it. And do like, share, and subscribe this video. I hope you guys loved it. Bye.